My name is Andrew Helt. I'm a psychology major and I'll be a senior this year. My TURC project this summer has two parts, and they both relate to a clinical trial of nightmare treatment in children that's being conducted by Dr. Lisa Cromer, a clinical psychology professor here. The first part is before parents enter their children in the treatment. We're looking at what factors they express for why they may or may not express interest in having their child complete the treatment and complete the study. And then the second part is after the study, I'm looking at the cognitive and behavioral effects of the study and how treating nightmares may impact executive function. So top-down functions of self-control or impulse control, working memory, and task switching, which are crucial building blocks for academic success. And we're looking at what impact the treatment has on those functions.